Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Deer Valley Rental Services. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Reached out to you guys on Facebook and wanted to send you over this custom video showing how you guys can begin to increase your sales online, dominate your competition, and really blow through the roof on your online presence. So with that being said, here we're going to go over a few of the things that you need in order to do that, right? You're wondering, hey, let's see what you got, Josh. Let's figure this out. So first things first with your website, right? You guys got a good looking website. I definitely think it probably needs a little bit of cleaning up. Maybe some better photos, definitely a bigger logo here in the top. Maybe just a little more pop to it, a little more pizzazz. But for the most part, you guys have a great base to your guys' website. One thing I see too is a lot of you got some content here. Would definitely recommend having some more content, maybe putting these, I guess, services or rental options on your guys' rental page, perhaps. I know you probably do have them over here. Oh, nope, it just drops down to here. So I would recommend maybe doing a couple different pages, kind of breaking things out a little bit more, leaving your home page to just who you guys are. But with the content that you guys need to have on your site, we want to have keyword-rich content, kind of really explaining what you guys offer, what you guys do. We want to have that all over our website. And one way we can figure that out is actually comparing to your competition, right? We want to figure out, hey, what are the dominant guys in our area that are doing rental services for skid steers and excavators, bulldozers, whatever it may be, right? We want to figure out how are they killing it online right now. So one thing we do is we actually search heavy equipment rental Minnesota, right? Because you guys rent out that kind of stuff. So that's one of our keywords. It's heavy equipment rental Minnesota. Search it, and the first thing that pops up right here is the Google My Business Map Pack or the Google Map Pack. And there's always only ever 3 of these right here. As you guys know, this is probably a huge conversion rate. I think the average is 82%, 62 to 82% conversion rate just being up here. So you guys definitely want to get up here. But another way too is you actually have to be in the organic section, which is down below, in order to even actually be up here as well. So we want to make sure that you really optimize your Google business profile so you can begin to do this. I see a lot of your competition, they don't really have a ton of reviews. So getting you guys up here shouldn't be too terribly hard. Definitely increasing your reviews. Make sure you go through all of their photos. Make sure you have the same amount of photos and then some, as well as all of your about section and your public information for your guys' business should be on there as well. But back to the keywords, right? So we want to take your guys' URL for your website. We can put it in a tool here called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool that we like to use. It shows us all this data and analytics behind your guys' website and how and why you guys are ranking online, right? So as of right now, we can see there's not a lot of data. So what we did is we actually went into this heavy equipment rental and we went down to the first organic section, because if they're in your first page organics, these guys are absolutely dominating in this space right now, especially on this keyword. So we figured it out. We grabbed Ziegler Cat, right? Ziegler Cat Rental. We're going to try to figure out, hey, what are these guys doing online? So we noticed that they have 4.9 thousand keywords. So we want to go ahead and target all of these keywords as well as all of their backlinks. There's all kinds of different backlinks that you can get. We won't get into that today. It's a little complicated. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information, but we're going to focus on the keywords and why we want to have keywords into all of our content, right? So they have things like this. There's 2,500 search volume for Cat 259D specs. So we want to have that in our site. Cat 279D specs. There's 800 search for that, right? We can see all this search volume right here. And we want to get all of these keywords into our website, which you guys probably have a good handful of these, supplies. I understand that this is mainly Cat, but if you guys are if you do other brands right now, I guess I can't even think of them, Bobcat or, I guess I can't even think of any other ones off the top of my head. But we can figure out, hey, what are all of these keywords that they have on their website that we can use? Not only these guys, but we also want to grab maybe All Rentals, right? Or Olson Power. We want to figure out what all of these guys are doing for some really good high search volume keywords, and we want to create that into our website. And we also want to optimize this Google business profile. So we always want to be adding backlinks, getting these numbers up for your organic keywords. The foreign domains are actually the pages that actually host these backlinks. So that just goes up over time with your backlinks. But we want to start getting, some really good numbers on this and start blowing these guys out of the water in order to reach those top page rankings. Because once we get to the top page, more people find you, more people come to your guys' business, your brick and mortar store, and start purchasing rental products from you guys. As you can see as well, Once this loads here, the organic traffic, you guys were getting 0 organic traffic right now as to your website. And once we start implementing all of this stuff into your guys' site, you can see what's possible. 6.5 thousand traffic to their guys' website every single month. So talk about that, right? That's huge conversion from what you guys are currently doing. We also do social media management, but I'm not even going to go over that. You guys are absolutely killing it right now. You guys are on top of it. That's actually how I found you guys, was through your post that you had boosted on your page. So you guys clearly already know the value in reinvesting into your marketing back online. So I think this will be a walk in the park for you guys to understand. But like I said, I just wanted to get this information sent over to you guys, showing how you can increase traffic, start dominating your competition, and blow your sales out of the water. With that being said, everybody over at Deer Valley Rental Services, again, my name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I hope you guys found this video useful in any way, shape, or form. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd be happy to help. Thanks, guys.